So hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make some simple geometry in Latex. So let's get started, and for that just start with the document class, which will be the article or book or anything. Now begin the document. For the graphics or the geometry, you have to use package which is called TIG, and other than this you have to use one more package which is called PGF plots, and with the help of these two packages we are going to make some simple geometry like straight lines, triangles, circle, etc. So firstly just I'm going to align all these in the center, make an environment, take the pictures, and now write some command which is just draw is a simple command which join the two coordinate points in the Cartesian plane. So use the command draw, and here you can see using the draw command just put the first coordinate point which is the initial coordinate point and double dash. After that just put the final coordinate point, and Latex will automatically just join these two points to make a straight line. And for the customization of line, like you want the width of the line should be more thick, so just use a bird ultra thick in the square bracket, and it will make the line more thicker like this. And if you want to change the color, just put that color inside the square bracket also. So with the comma just write the blue or red, whichever you want. So you can see it changes the color of the straight line. And so red, we are going to use orange in this for this. And now we are going to make a triangle, so just we need one more point to make a triangle. So next point I am going to assume as 3,3, which is, and here you can see I just ordered like just join these, so it will not going to make a triangle. So I have to write one more command, one more coordinate which is from 3,3 to again 0,0. so you have to write 0,0 again, and it will make a triangle. So that's it for the triangle. And you can make it simple as well. So instead of putting 0,0, just you can just write a word called cycle. It means it will continuously join all these three coordinates in the pair, and it will make a triangle. And so for making a square, just put 4 coordinate points, so and again the cycle, so it will make a square automatically. I hope to just understand the concept behind the straight line or the line segment or any polygonal geometry like triangle, square, rectangle, trapezium, and all these. So I hope you guys understand well, and it's simple. And now I'm going to make a circle. So again you can use the ultra thick circumference and the red color of the circumference. Now for the circle, just you have to start with the center of the circle. So I am going to put here the coordinates of the center of the circle, which is 0,0, and after that just put the radius. So write down the circle, and in the parenthesis just write the radius of the circle. So inside the small bracket, and inside the small bracket write just radius, and it will make a circle of radius 10 millimeter, and with the center 0,0. So you can change the shape of you can change the radius, and you'll figure out what is the appropriate side, but it's the perfect size for your document. So here you can see you can make different types of circle with the different radius, and you can change also the coordinates of the center of the circle. Here I'm going to put the circle in the inside the square, so it will be like this. And I'm going to change the radius again so that it will be inside the square completely. And that's it for this video, guys, and I hope you guys like this video, and feel free to subscribe this channel for more some coming latex tutorials. See you in the next one. Thank you.